Hey guys, what's up? I'm Morgan and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, because I'm going to be talking about how you can use one platform to create all of your branding design elements to make an aesthetic and on a budget. So without further ado, today's video is sponsored by Tailor Brands. Okay, so we all know it's the start of a new year and everyone's searching for businesses. Everyone's searching for how to start a business, how to start a brand. What do I need to start a brand? How much money do I need to start a brand? And for me, being a business coach, people are reaching out to me, especially in the swimwear niche, because that's how most of you guys found me. But they always ask me how to start. What do I need? And I give them a very simple answer. It might sound generic, but it is very simple. And I tell them, do you have your branding elements listed front and center? Do you have all of those things? Because it's one thing to want to start a brand and have product to sell, and it's another thing to have product and not know how to communicate that product by having those branding elements for your clients or customers to be able to understand and to perceive you in a certain way. So we're gonna hop on into my computer so I can show you guys all of the really cool features and what I personally love the most about using Tailor Brands. Okay, so here we are. This is the Tailor Brands website, and automatically you can find the logo that you love, which means you will input your brand information and then click on design. I'm just gonna use Mayhem Morgan as an example so we can get you guys into the studio and I can show you guys my favorite elements about using Tailor Brands. So from here, it's just gonna ask you a couple of questions. You answer the one that fits your business needs the most. I'm gonna click on original content because it's for YouTube videos, social media, and blogging, and I'm gonna click next. From here, I'm gonna click keep going because I'm already signed in and I've already been creating different types of logos. So I'm just going to click on keep going, and you can enter your industry needs. So I'm just going to click blogging and click on lifestyle blog. You can tell them more in this part. You can write a full description or not and just go to the next step. I'm not going to enter the description because I just want it for the logo process. So I'm going to click on next, and from here you get the option to choose from an icon based logo, a name based logo, or an initial base. For me, I'm going to click on name based because I only want my name in the logo and without any icons. And then you choose the fonts that you like. Choose 3 of them. I'm going to choose brush, thin, and I'm also going to choose delicate, and then I'm going to click on next. And from here, it's going to literally go through the process of finding me a logo that I feel like is going to be beneficial. I'm going to have options, and you see how fast this goes by. So from here on the left hand side, you can see it gives me different logo variations, different things that I can choose from. I'm going to click on the cursive one. That's really cool. They also have an option to see more. It's not just these. So I'm going to click on the cursive one right here. And I love it. And so it shows you different examples of what it will look like on different things like your business card, your website, or merchandise. So I'm going to go up and then I'm going to click on customize. From here, it's going to take me to the section where I can actually change how this looks, whether I want thin writing, whether I want it more slanted, whether I want to change my text or styles or whatever. And I'm going to go to the color elements, and you can pick out different colors that fits your branding needs. I'm going to click on this one right here, and then I'm going to click finished at the top right hand corner. From here, it's going to give you an option to keep editing if you want to go back and change some things, or click on finish, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to close this box out, and you can see the back end of the studio and further. So it gives you so many different options. You can get a domain, business mailbox, a digital business card, branded websites, and you can get listed on Google, have branded apparel, merchandise, and vector files. One of my favorite features on here is that once you sign up, and again, please just try this out for free to see how you like it before signing up. But one of the cool features for signing up is the vector files. And a lot of people, a lot of businesses don't really know about vector files. You're constantly downloading JPEGs or PNG files, but a vector file allows you to size up and down without losing the quality. And that is very, very, very helpful when you're creating things like merchandise. and branded apparel and business cards for different layouts, or if you want to change things up. So you have all these options within the Tailor Brands platform, and it's just really easy to use. Like I said, everything is very seamless. You're not clicking here and going to another website and things like that. But when you have your downloads, another cool thing is you can pick your logo sizes for the different platforms that you are going to be downloading them to. So you have a few free options up here, which is Pinterest, I don't know what that is, and like for your email, and then obviously you would have to sign up to get the YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, you know, things like that. And then you have the vector files, like I said before. You have a content planner, which is really cool. And just all of your business needs, a branding book so you can stay on brand. They put all of the features that you would need so that once you download it, and here's mine. So once you download it, you have everything you need right at a click of a button, okay? So fonts, color system, it has primary and complementary colors, and it shows you how you can do this. So this primary color will be my logo, the tagline will be in this color, and then the complementary color, it could be something for like descriptions or whatever, you know, you want to use. And then it has logo use, how to use it correctly with different contrasts and things like that. And it also shows you bad examples, like incorrect ways to use this, because obviously you cannot see my name on any of these. So again, this is a really cool platform, and let me tell you again about my favorite elements. So you guys just saw me navigate the Tailor Brands website and showing you different features that could be very beneficial to who you are as a business owner. This website I personally want to recommend, and I'm happy that they reached out to me because it is cost effective. And I get a lot of new business owners here who ask me all the time, how do they start? They want to know how I made my money back in profit from when I started my swimwear business. They want to know information, or they want to have some sort of resource. Now this is a major resource because it's a one-stop shop. It's a platform that gives you so many different deliverables, from just inputting your brand name and creating your logo, and then picking out those logos and going through the brand story, changing the way that the logo or font looks until you actually like it. You have to be comfortable with your branding elements, because if you're not comfortable, why would your customer or potential client be comfortable? Now, my favorite part personally about the Tailor Brands platform is the marketing side, meaning that when I click on that and I have my logo set in place, I can use my logo to create custom merch. I can create travel mugs, coffee mugs. I can create notepads, stickers. Now those things to me are super important because I come from an era of guerrilla style marketing, meaning that people and like street teams would put stickers, they would slap them all over the city. And when I saw that, it just breeded like this thing of familiarity. So the more that I see someone's logo, or the more that I see someone's brand, the more curious I get to look into that brand. And you never know how many times you're actually crossing someone's pathway to where they are going to be interested in anything that you have to offer. And for me, when I'm out and I have my logo on my little water bottle, or if I have it on my backpack, or if I have my sticker right on the side of my camera and I'm out taking photos, usually I will get some stops and people will ask. And so that right there alone is guerrilla style marketing, when you don't really have to explain your brand full out before someone recognizes it. So using Tailor Brands will make that a very, very simplified way for you to even go into marketing, because you have all of the things that you need for when you get onto, you know, social media, meaning Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. You will have all of those elements that you already created, and all you have to do is add those elements to your marketing. So if you have a product and you don't have those branding elements, nothing is going to make sense, because you're selling a product without people being able to recognize your brand. And that's why I talk to you guys so much about branding and about marketing and about aesthetics, because I personally believe that aesthetic marketing is the way to go. Make something look nice, make people comfortable, make people feel trustworthy about your product, and you have a winning business. So go ahead and go to my description box below. I have a link to Tailor Brands, and I have a very special promo code where you will get 40% off. Please try this website out for free. Tell me how you guys like this video down in the comments below. Make sure you guys tell me other branding elements that you guys would like to see from me in the future, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.